Don't walk in front of me. I may not follow, don't walk behind me. I may not lead, walk beside me. Just be my friend. You will never be happy if you continue to search for what happiness consists of. You will never live if you are looking for the meaning of life. In the depth of winter, I finally learned that within me there lay an invincible summer. You know what charm is, a way of getting the answer yes without having asked any clear question. The only way to deal with an unfree world is to become so absolutely free that your very existence is an act of rebellion. I may not have been sure about what really did interest me, but I was absolutely sure about what didn't. I used to advertise my loyalty, and I don't believe there is a single person I loved that I didn't eventually betray. I have no idea what's awaiting me, or what will happen when this all ends. For the moment I know this, there are sick people and they need curing. I looked up at the mass of signs and stars in the night sky and laid myself open for the first time to the benign indifference of the world. I would rather live my life as if there is a God and die to find out there isn't, than live my life as if there isn't and die to find out there is. Life can be magnificent and overwhelming, that is the whole tragedy. Without beauty, love, or danger it would almost be easy to live. I know that man is capable of great deeds. But if he isn't capable of great emotion, well, he leaves me cold. The evil that is in the world almost always comes from ignorance, and good intentions may do as much harm as malevolence if they lack understanding. Have you no hope at all? And do you really live with the thought that when you die, and nothing remains? Yes, I said,